Man, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy. Hold on, let me turn this air conditioner down for y'all. It's your boy Nazi, man. Back with another fucking video. Today, gonna be an exciting day. In my last video, I mentioned that the GTR was gonna be coming back soon, but if y'all go look at that date, I don't think it came back soon. Today, we gonna be getting the GTR back on the channel. You know what I'm saying? And it ain't ever been on the channel, besides it being in the shop, but we're gonna be getting it back after 6 months, 7 months, something like that, man. Too long. It's still currently in the shop. I think it should be getting the oil change. My mechanic, he's still working on trying to get the gears situated or whatever, and it's gonna be getting sent to cleaning. So when that happens, he's gonna notify me, and I'm gonna go ahead up there. I'm gonna get y'all some shots of it being clean, cause if y'all see the car, man, like, it's fucking dusty, and yeah, I can't ride around in a dirty ass car. So we gonna get that shit situated, and yeah. So I'm gonna hit y'all when I get there. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and hold on. Turn this down for y'all. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know now, bro. If y'all drive a 2022, 2020, whatever, 2014 to 2022 Nissan Sentra, even the ones before that, all of them, bro. I don't know what to say for you, bro. This is one of the slowest cars that I have ever driven. I hate it so much, but I do thank Nissan for going ahead and giving me this loaner until I get my car back. So right now we on the way to go pick up my baby. You get what I'm saying? It's been a long road. It's been a long time. Anybody that's into JDM cars will understand my pain, will understand that getting parts and shit like that for these cars, man, is like jumping through hula hoops with your ass on fire. So look at this motherfucker here. I hate when they do this shit, bro. They just pull out in traffic and just like fucking march their way in. But anyway, yeah, so they gave me this bullshit to drive around in. It's pretty nice inside though, but I can't stand small cars like this. They just suck. Like, this is full throttle. Shit is ridiculous. So we are here. I'm trying to see if I see my car. You did what I'm saying, but I don't really see it. Look how these, oh man, I hate these so much, bro. Like, you can barely fucking see over the median. But yeah, I don't see my car anywhere over there. We're gonna see in a second though. Hold on, we're gonna see in a second though. Wait a sec. Let's get across here. Yeah. Park this bitch right here. Customer parking, my boy. Customer parking, my boy. We're gonna park this bitch crooked. Hold on, we can't scrape this motherfucker though. We can't scrape this motherfucker. We got folks looking at us with a camera. Motherfuckers be looking so retarded too when they see a camera. Like, y'all niggas ain't seen a camera before. I'm gonna go off inside here. Man, I hate this whole mask shit, bro, cause it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I be forgetting the mask, man, and I get to somewhere and I don't be having no mask. You know what I'm saying? We got this at the dealership though. I don't know how people like feeling recording, so I'm turning the camera around. How you doing? Thank you. Yo, look at this GTR, yo. Put a sticker price on one of these guys. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I can spend that much. I'm not sure about it, but these shits are sick, though. I can't spend that much though. Yeah. It's pretty clean. Oh no, I gotta go back to work. I gotta go in sometime around like 4 or something. And then it's only for like a small amount of time though. keys already in there? I know y'all want to see this. Cool little walk around for y'all. And then go for the drive. Last is not here. No, I'm just fucking with you guys. But as y'all can see, you know, we got the babe at home. You dig what I'm saying? Excuse the wind out here because I know the wind probably kicking. But she a little dirty right now because you know what, man, this Guam rain, I don't know. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Y'all can see it in the paint. Look at this shit. It rains dirt. Like, look at that shit. It rains dirt. But as y'all can see, man, the car's pretty clean. You know. Is that a tomato dog? I was supposed to take you guys on a test drive yesterday, but man, you know how it go. Trying to pick up the car, and I was excited, and I was trying to leave so I can test drive it on my own, but I had to test drive it there, so I wasn't able to get the GoPro on my head, so I'll be able to do that. But I'm gonna give y'all some driving footage. But as y'all can see, it's at 73 kilometers. Interior's pretty clean. I got my speaker back there because currently don't have any music, but we're gonna solve that. Interior's pretty clean. Couple minor things I gotta do, like, you know, fix this shit, but other than that, man, she's super clean. I gotta get some weather stripping. You know, it needs a little bit of TLC, a little TLC, like this right here. Like, I'm not gonna say I got the perfect, most, you know, unique R32. Pop the hood for y'all. I got the most unique R32, but yeah, man, it needs a little bit of love. You know, it's been in Guam. Guam has its way with cars. This happened by the previous owner. Y'all can see. Motherfucker had dogs, man. This wind is kicking. This shit's hot. Yeah, she's a little bit dusty on here, but I'm glad that I got the car home now, because, you know, I can do whatever I want to do with it, and doesn't have to sit in the shop for 10 more fucking months. So yeah, I just tried to get y'all a driving clip, but unfortunately that shit didn't work, so we're gonna try this shit again. Try this shit one more time. But at least now when I try to get y'all some clips or something, you know, it's not super duper hot. man. Go ahead and get over, man. Go ahead, I'm letting you get over. Jesus. For some reason it feels cooler on this side, but I think that's because it's finna rain. All this traffic out here, man. I was trying to get y'all some pulls. But yeah, so since the car's been fixed, the car's been feeling great. This thing right here, man, stiff, no movement, so it gives your arm a little workout. I'm gonna turn right here. What was that? Motherfucker just went up on the sidewalk. And this video is over the course of like a couple days, because yesterday, yeah, I wasn't filming anything. It was raining too bad. I'm on semi radios, all bad. Y'all see me, like, I gotta use all my muscle to put this shit in first gear. But I kinda like it, but I don't know. I'm just not really used to it yet. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, cause I had to do that video twice. You know what I'm saying? The first time I went out, fucking SD card wasn't working, GoPro froze up, ended up having to change the SD cards, use the SD card out of this camera, put it in my GoPro, and had to do the video all over again. And you know what I'm saying? That's gas, and I wasn't trying to do it again, and I don't got no AC, and there's a lot of excuses, but I went out and I did it, and I got the video done today. Video was supposed to be done yesterday, but end up not getting none of that. So this will be the end of the video. If y'all like the video, make sure that y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, couldn't think for a minute. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, cause I'm trying to put out these bangers for y'all. So yeah, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will be posting another video sometime this week. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling, cause yeah, I'm tired. So yeah, y'all have a good one.